Welcome to the channel. If you're using Signal and not receiving notifications for messages or calls, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to enable and manage notifications on the Signal app, so you never miss an important update again. Let's get started. First, open the Signal app on your device. Then, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, scroll down and tap on Notifications. If notifications are currently off, you'll see an option that says Turn On. Tap it. This will redirect you to your phone's notification settings for the Signal app. Here, make sure that Allow Notifications is enabled. You can also choose how you want the notifications to appear on the lock screen, as banners or both. Adjust this based on your preference. After that, go back to the Signal app's notification settings. Under this section, you can manage what types of notifications you receive. You'll see separate options for message notifications and call notifications. You can enable both or choose only one, depending on your needs. That's it for this quick guide. Now you know how to fully enable and customize notifications on the Signal app. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you soon!